by Preah temple. Pre, Preah, that means change. Okay. Rup, Rup, that means our body. Change the body temple. Yeah. Preah temple. The temple was built by the reign of the king Rajendra Varman. Was built from the year 961. The king Rajendra Varman, he was built Preah temple in order for dedicating to Hinduism. In Hinduism, we have more than 3 million gods, but for the top god, we have only 3. Shiva, he is the god who destroyed the world. We can recognize him by the third eye in the middle. Shiva god, the first one. Second one is that mean Brahma. Yeah, the first one, Shiva, the god who destroyed the world. Okay. Second one is Brahma. Brahma, he is the god who recreated the world. We can recognize him by the third season by 4 faces. Yeah, Brahma. Okay, so you can see. By the reign of the king Rajendra Varman was built in the year in 951. So it's older than Preah temple 10 years and older than Srei temple 16 years. Okay, the king Rajendra Varman, he was built EastMebon temple in order for dedicating to Shiva god only, so that we don't see three tower in the front like us Preah temple. Okay, for Shiva god. Yeah, so that all the Shiva temple, normally we can see the bull Nandi in front of the Shiva building. Okay, in front of the Shiva building. But this temple in 16th century, by the reign of the king Angkor, he reaction the temple from Hindu to Buddhist. Then the Hindu people, the Buddhist people, they moved the bull Nandi away. Then they are replaced by the Buddha statues inside here. Okay, but during the civil war in Cambodia from 1975 to 1979, they don't allow the people to respect any religion. Then the people they are destroyed the Buddha as well. Okay, so right now they're replaced by the new one, the Buddha, inside the central tower. And this temple, you can have look the same art style of Preah temple, but just only the first level and the third level, you can see decoration by the statue of the elephant. Okay, yeah, like you can see there. Yeah, we have 8 of them. The elephant. Yeah, look like the real elephant. It's big elephant. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this temple, yeah, right now under reconstruction. So we can walk up only from the south part of the temple, from the east, from the north, from the west, under reconstruction. So we can walk in only from the south part of the temple. Okay, yeah, okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, after finish this one, we do another. Our Srei Kingdom that they have a short we can see the sword like see the king. Okay, so this temple named Preah, that means secret sword of the king. Preah temple, the temple was built by the reign of the king Jayavarman number 7, was built from the year 1191. This one later than Bayon temple 10 years. Bayon temple is older than Taprum temple 5 years and older than this temple 10 years. The king Jayavarman number 7, he was built Bayon temple for himself. And he built Taprum temple for his mother. He built Preah temple for his father. And then he built Tasam temple for his grandfather. Then Banteay he built for his son. Okay. The king Jayavarman number 7, he was built Preah temple in order for combination between Buddhism and Hinduism together. Okay. So that when we walk inside, you can see the right hand side for the Buddhism and the left hand side for Hinduism. Okay. But unfortunately, after the king Jayavarman number 7, he was died in the year 1218. After he was died, he haven't any son or daughter to get throne. Then they choose other dynasty. The new king, he is a Hindu king. Then reaction the temple from that they convert to the Hindu only. Then the Hindu people, they smash the Buddha. Yeah, the carving or the figure of the Buddha was smashed. Yeah.
Is that why there's no head?
Yeah, that the no head that been later during the Civil War.
Oh.
Just only along the column, like you can see
Yeah.
the lantern that all the Buddha gone disappear. Okay. Yeah, because they convert to the Hindu only.
Hey! No! No!
You can make video.